3 things millennials want. Are you a millennial in Fayetteville? These are the 3 things this is saying that you want from your HVAC contractor. So let's see what these 3 things are. All right, number 1, it says millennials don't mind paying a visit fee. Okay, so that's good, because if you want a really good technician, all of our technicians in Fayetteville at AC Man are Fayetteville Tech graduates. They have went through a lot of training after. So if you want a really good company, really good technician, then typically that does come with the fee, because you want the best, so you pay for the best. So, all right, so that's number 1. All right, let's see if this thing is right for you millennials. What is the second thing you want? Okay, they want to see online pricing. Is that true? Do you millennials want to see the pricing online? So one thing about us at our company, we have flat rate pricing, so there's no surprise pricing. Back in the old days, companies used to charge by the hour, and it depended on how long it took. So if they worked slow, you paid more. We don't do that. It costs the same amount no matter which house. We give the prices up front, so we have flat rate prices. So hopefully that'll take care of that. If you're a millennial, let me know if you like that. All right, so number 3, what's the third thing that millennials want? You guys let me know. All you millennials, let me know if this is real. So they say number 3 is they want the Amazon effect. So I don't know if we have the Amazon effect. We have the AC Man effect, but it says you want, okay, so you want to order online. All right, so good news. Good news, you can order us online. If you go to our website here at FayettevilleHVAC.com, you can actually book appointment online without even calling. You just go on the website, you click the button that says online booking, some dates will come up, some calendar dates, and then you pick the appointment that you want. You put all your info in, boom, you don't even have to make a phone call. So this is what you want, millennials, from your HVAC contractor. I think we can handle it. All right, have a good day.